Hi everyone, Letty here from Party Planner Papery. I have a not too shabby shop collaboration hop today. I'm going to be doing a project share video. I'm going to share with you some cards and tags. Welcome back everyone. So I am going to be joining in on some of the former design team members from Not Too Shabby for a hop today. I do have my website affiliate link. I'll link it down in the description box below for you just in case you want to make a purchase. So I've gotten together with some alumni design team. We're going to be using some Not Too Shabby products. Let me show you the items. I have the lattes, cocoa, and cookies 6x6 paper pad. I don't have very many sheets left. This one originally was 24 double-sided sheets. I only have a few left over, but these were the patterns that came with it. You get 4 of each of those designs. So super cute. It does have a coordinating pack of ephemera, also called lattes, cocoa, and cookies. It has some really cute girls, some coffee mugs, or cocoa mugs. I mean, just so cute. Bunch of other little fun Christmas items. Then I did bring in some stamp sets, also from Not Too Shabby. I have Snarky Christmas. This one is one of the more recent stamp sets that came in, I believe, the box of the month. I believe from last month, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe the month before, but it's really super cute. I did use one main stamp from that one. And then I brought in the Warm Winter Wishes stamp and die set. And this was from either 1 or 2 months ago as well. And it has some really great sentiments on this one. And so I decided to bring this one in so I could use several of those as well, specifically for the tags that I did because they're smaller sentiments. So again, Warm Winter Wishes. So that one is available as a stamp and or a stamp and die. You can usually purchase single stamp alone if you'd like. But again, I'll link my affiliate link down below and I'll try to list as many of those products as I can. I did make 2 cards. I had a cardstock mat that was 4 by 5 1/4 and then a paper that was 3 3/4 by 5. And then there was a little scrap that I had left over from the top after cutting it down. And that's what I flipped and just added to the front of my card. So I had a little bit of extra scraps on these left over, but I'll just save them for a future project. I popped up one of the ephemera pieces, added my sentiment, added some enamel dots, and that will call it my card. So I did the same exact thing on a second one, just changed it up a tiny bit. My paper mats are the same. I did add some of the ephemera pieces, also popped up one of them on foam dimensional tape, added a sentiment, added some ephemera, added some enamel dots. So easy, these 2 cards. So I made 2 total cards today using this paper pad. And then the bulk of what I made were these little bitty 3x3 tags. And so I started out by making some 3x3 cards, and then I punched a hole, added some elastic cording to make these little cute little tags for Christmas or the holidays. These are a fantastic project to make ahead of time. You can add whatever sentiments you want. You can add ephemera, pop it up. I used a cardstock mat that was 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then a paper mat that was 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. And then I just added some elastic cording and some ephemera pieces and some little sentiments that came from those stamp sets that I shared with you a second ago. Again, I'll try to link any of these products that I'm using today down in the description box below that are still available. And of course, I'll have my general website affiliate link as well. So it really helps my channel grow if you use the link if you're going to be purchasing any of these items. I really appreciate it. So we just wanted to get together, some of the former design team alumni, get together, show you some items using some of our Not Too Shabby products. We are absolutely in love with these products. So again, I had a paper pad, some stands, some ephemera. Again, I'll link that website affiliate link down in the description box below. And make sure you check out, I have a playlist that I'm going to link down below. This is a collab hosted by Lynn, who's LV Handcrafted. Everybody who's participating will be linked in that playlist. And so you can check out all the inspiration from all of us. Again, we're just former design team members from Not Too Shabby. They wanted to get together, give you some inspiration using our Not Too Shabby items.